Nein, es ist doch warm.
Today we dropped Ziora for volleyball training and waited outside until she was finished. Thank God it was a beautiful day, so we could use the time to discover the park nearby.
Ja, gehen wir schauen, wo sind sie denn? Was ist in der Tasche? Was hat sie dort?
Nierugo was leading the way. At first, he climbed up on a big iron ball with his big brother Chijioke, and Uche also wanted to get into the picture. Unfortunately for him, the space on the top is limited, so even when he tried to run on top by force, he didn't manage to get it. Then the big boys proceeded to a game of chess. But unfortunately for them, Nierugo was busy taking out their players and moving them around, so there was no way to guess who would have won had it been everything was normal. Playing games in peace is something you start to appreciate when you have a younger sibling. And relaxing your leg is something you start to appreciate when you have children. So I used my opportunity to relax in the hammock while Nierugo was busy throwing little stones around. Yes, this is what I enjoy. But of course, it didn't last long. We had to continue walking around and discover the park. This was fascinating. It's a park made out of metal, but they planted plants around it to grow as walls. A really nice scenery. We reached to the top and decided to make a picture, or at least that's what we tried.
Pizza!
Spaghetti.
Sag nochmal Pizza.
Pizza. Nein. Spaghetti. Hast du's?
Nierugo didn't agree with the word I asked them to say, to look like as if they were smiling. But we had fun either way, and got some cute pictures anyway at the end. And after posing, we continued walking. We discovered some nice angles, a small little pool, and oh, that was Uche eating ice cream. And ended our day with taking some beautiful close-up pictures. Some taken by Chijioke, some taken by Uche, and some taken by me.